I do know that the bass are spawning, and so they're going to be on their beds, and after the female lays its eggs, the males will go ahead and stay on the bed for 2, 3, sometimes 4 weeks and guard the eggs and then guard the fry when they hatch. So getting a bait that is going to represent something that would go and eat those eggs is your best bet during the spawn, because if you antagonize that fish or that male that's sitting on the bed enough, he's going to go ahead and eventually strike it. Ooh, got one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, nice fish. There we go. Strike King Rodent. Okeechobee craw. Right there. Man. He came out of nowhere, right out of the weeds. And definitely smacked that one. So what we're doing here is this is what I'm talking about here. It's the Strike King Perfect Plastics Rodent. It's Texas rigged, weightless, and it's a blue and black. It's Okeechobee craw color, and kind of a crawdad imitation. And that bass came out of nowhere, and it was actually only a few feet from the boat, so it kind of surprised me.